Here we go. Zoe and Papa learning. We've been on virtual days at school for snow days. So Zoe is going to make snow ice cream. Tell us about the ingredients, Zoe. What we got in that bowl?
Okay. First, we're going to have some milk.
That's 2 cups of milk we got.
And then we're going to add some vanilla.
All right, that's 1 tablespoon. No, okay, you can go ahead and add it. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Vanilla extract. All right, set that aside. And then what do we got there, Zoe?
We got sugar.
We got 1 cup of sugar we're going to mix in there. And then pour it all in there. Pour it all in there. And then we're going to stir that up. Now be careful not to slosh it. Just stir it until it gets good and mixed up. Be careful not to slosh it. Make sure you get the spoon along the bottom and stuff so it stirs up that sugar. Doesn't settle down there. Get you a nice little creamy, vanilla, milky mixture. And
it's milk, so it's good for you.
And then what's the main ingredient, Zoe?
Snow!
We got the big bowl of snow over there, right? Once you can't feel the sugar in there, so like when you scrape it along the bottom and the sides of the bowl, you can't feel the sugar. It's pretty good. Mix it up a little bit more. Okay, now here's the deal. Now we got to pour this a little bit of time into the snow. All right, that's good, Zoe. That's good. That's good, Zoe. Okay. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to pour, or I'll tell you what. You pour. Whoops, the light. You pour. No, let me pour. Here you go. Here you go. I'm going to let you stir the snow. Okay. I'm going to let you stir the snow. I'm going to pour a little bit.
Yeah, okay? I'm stirring some snow.
Okay. Now here's the deal. What? So move your spoon out of the way. Move your spoon out of the way. I'm going to pour a little bit around there, and then what I need you to do is kind of just crunch it up into the snow. All right, so that start stirring a little bit.
See, it's starting.
You kind of mash the snow down, but you got to take it all the way to the bottom of the bowl because that milk's going down to the bottom of the bowl. So you got to be careful and just make sure you're stirring it.
This is really fun, guys.
It's really fun. That's right.
If it comes out a little bit,
just scrape it down off the sides. Scrape it down off the sides. Be careful. It's all right. Be careful. We don't want to get it out. Here, let me help you real quick. Let me get you down there a little bit. Okay, keep the mess. If it's going to make a mess, we'll keep it on the thing so it'll be easier to clean up.
We just baked something.
Dig down there and mix it up. All right, now I'm going to pour some more milk on there. All right, be careful. All right, stir it up real good. There you go. Just crush it down. Get it in there because that milk's way down at the bottom, okay? Okay.
See that white snow? You need to start mixing that in it.
Mm-hmm.
Add a little bit.
We'll put a little more in there. Gotta get good and creamy all mixed up. Try to mix that white snow up into the yellow stuff, okay?
And you don't have to cook it in.
Keep going, go all the way down to the bottom of the bowl because some of that milk is settling down at the bottom of the bowl. Okay. There you go. Don't get too crazy with it so you fling it out. Just kind of scrape that stuff off the sides down into it. No, look here.
It's fine.
Like this. Okay, let me pour a little more in there. Okay, mix it up.
Oh, yeah.
Stir good. All right, good job. It's looking good. It's looking good. Let me pour a little bit. Let me pour the rest of it in there, and then you take the camera. I'll finish mixing it up a little bit. Okay.
I'll
okay. All right. Okay. Go ahead.
Is that all you're pouring in?
Okay. Mix all that white snow in there with it. Good. Okay.
Almost done, guys.
Almost done. Almost got your snow ice cream made up. There you go. Push it down off the sides into the bottom and stir it up good. There you go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Come down off the sides. No.
It does smell good.
All right, crush it down off the sides. Back there on the back too. There you go. Now stir it all up real good. And we're gonna be done now.
There you have
Now,
it.
here you
please
go.
don't-
Look here. All right, kind of beat that spoon off a little bit.
Oh.
Now I'll get you a spoonful, and then don't put the spoon back in there. Get you a spoonful to taste it and try it out for us. See how it tastes. Oh, you don't have a big spoon like that. No, you can't do that. Just a little spoon that you can get, because you're gonna. All right, that's good. Now you try it, and don't put the spoon back in the bowl. Tell us how it tastes. Don't put the spoon back in the bowl. How's it taste?
Good.
All right, it's good. That's how you make snow ice cream. Tell them subscribe to our channel,
Subscribe to your channel.
and you hit like and comment.
Like,
Make some snow ice cream. See y'all next time. Bye bye.